Cut the tape and the straps. Cut the sides of the box. Remove the box. Remove accessories. Remove protective packaging material. Attach the handlebar to the frame and align it. Unlock the steering column by twisting the rubber lock and pulling the clasp down, then tilt the steering column down. Tighten the bolt with an Allen key. Tilt the steering column up, lock the clasp, and twist the rubber lock into place. Hold the light so it's facing forward and tighten the screw. To lock the seat post, tighten the bolt and pull the clasp back to lock into place. Push down the blue lever, tilt the seat forward. Remove the 3 nuts. Remove the 3 spacers. Tighten the bolt with a wrench. Put the spacers back. Take the backrest and align it to the screw holes. Reattach the nuts and tighten. The pedals are engraved with an L and an R, indicating the side they need to be attached onto. Screw on and tighten with a wrench. Do the same for the other side. The tire pressure is indicated on the tire. Remove the cap and attach the pump and fill it with air. Fill both tires. Your Max S is now ready.